On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord lag easy and fast. So first thing, click on settings, click on the apps, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is scroll all the way down until you find the Discord and click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Click here on power usage details. Click on this force stop option to stop running the app, and then click on the force stop again right here. And now last thing you want to do is open the Play Store and search for Discord and check if there is a new update. You should update it. If there is no update, then the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.